number 11. You're going to answer the following questions in regards to rotation, okay? So the first one, we have this image and we want to do a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. What is the rule for clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise rotation? X comma y arrow y comma negative x. So we change the x values and flip it, okay? So let's do this one. Let's change the x value so it became -2 and then we flip it. So it's 6 comma -2. That would be what a prime is, okay? So here you change the x and then you flip, okay? Let's do a 90 degrees counterclockwise. 90 degrees counterclockwise, which is x comma y arrow -y comma x, okay? Arrow -y comma x. So here we change the y, then you flip, okay? So change the y, the 5 became a -5, and then we flip it. So it becomes -5 comma -1. That would what b prime is, okay? So now it says a rotation of 180. The rule for 180 rotation is the x comma y will become -x comma -y, okay? You wanna change x and y. No flip. Okay, no flip. Right, so C prime, we already have C prime. Okay, we want to get it back to the original. So C would have to be the positive version of 3 and the positive version of -10, which is 10. Right, so the original point is 3 comma 10, because if we undergo, remember it makes C prime -3 comma -10. Right, that's how we can check. Good, so that would be your answer there. And let's do this one. What is the pre-image of D after it undergoes a 90 degrees clockwise rotation? 90 degrees clockwise rotation, it is x comma y will arrow y comma -x. So this is when you change the x, then you flip, okay? So you have the D prime point here of 5 comma -3. Originally, if we just flipped it, if we change the x, then we flip it, it became a 3 and it became a 5. So that would have been D point. Let's see. Change the x, so that's -3, and you flip. Perfect. So that would be D prime. Okay, there you go. All I did was I just applied the rule. Okay. All right, there you go. That's how you get the pre-images for C and D. And then A and B, that's how you get the new image points.